Make sure you leave a like on this shit. I'll wait. Thank you. Subscribe.
Okay, so what I did was I drew the same picture 3 times. And I colored that same picture 3 times so I can get the best results for my artwork. I'm doing a giveaway for this video, so watch to the end to find out how you can win.
Like a pregnant girl. Baby on the way. Cause baby on the way.
Who would you say are the top 3 rappers at the moment? Baby, Baby, and Baby.
To enter to win the giveaway, all you gotta do is like and comment down below your favorite picture and your Cash App. For more giveaways and more art like this, subscribe and turn that notification bell on.